here it is as promised, the wrecked AC Cobra. I just saw the paperwork. It was wrecked in like 1973. And it was bought by its current owner in 1974. Just saw the paperwork. It's kind of hard to see it at this point, but you got the engine in there with the Webers. How's this? This is so cool. It was used for drag racing. Oh yeah, there we go. See a better shot. Love the patina on this thing. Let's see if I can. That's so cool. You can see the rear fender flares for the wider drag slicks. AC Cobra. All right, love this in the back here. Follow me. All right, let me get around to the other side. Follow me. Get the Cobra up there. There it is. You can see of the inside. Air push. You can kind of see the AC on the pedals down there. Obviously missing a few parts. A lot of stuff around here. Oh, you can see more of the inside there. It's so cool. 289 cubic inch. Sorry, it's hard for me to get around here right now. Here's a view you don't see too often. You can see the early car. Super cool. I forgot to get the exhaust. This would not be the factory exhaust coming straight out like that. See it dented over here. Let's get another shot of the engine here. This is kind of a cool view. How often do you see a Cobra like this? It's pretty cool.